how to enable or disable handle gestures in TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility, then tap on TalkBack. After that, we go down and then tap on settings. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on advanced settings. Next, we scroll down, then tap on developer settings, then tap on handle gesture in TalkBack. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on, and that's it. That is how you can enable or disable handle gestures in TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.